Want to start a side hustle but don't know where to begin? Here are 5 completely free AI tools that can help you launch your business, brand or income stream, no tech skills required. First up, Gearbyte, an AI website builder. Just type in your business idea, and Gearbyte builds a full website in seconds. It's perfect for starting an agency, portfolio, or service page. Need a logo? Lookover uses AI to generate professional branding with zero design experience. It creates logos, color palettes, business cards, even social media kits. Struggling with writing? Copy.ai helps you write product descriptions, social media posts, and even entire landing pages, instantly. It's like having your own copywriter for free. Want to make YouTube videos or reels without showing your face? Pictory turns text into full videos with stock footage and voiceovers. Great for starting a faceless YouTube channel or promoting your products. Tidio adds an AI chatbot to your website to handle customer support, sales, and inquiries, 24/7. It makes your small side hustle feel like a professional business. These AI tools can help you launch faster, grow smarter, and save money. Subscribe to Gearbyte Media for more free tools, AI hacks, and business ideas every week.